SAS dataset problems, common challenges that I've explained with solutions in this video, issues like evaluative proc sort.
Introduction. Saving and sharing SAS datasets in a real-world data environment involves various challenges that stem from technical, procedural, and regulatory factors. Below are the key challenges encountered in these processes. Number 1. File size and resource constraints. Challenge. SAS datasets from clinical trials often contain large volumes of data, including numerous variables and observations, resulting in sizable files. Managing and saving these files efficiently can strain system resources. Impact. Performance issues, longer save times, or even failed attempts to save large datasets. Solution. Use compression techniques like compress equals yes in the dataset options, and consider splitting large datasets into smaller, manageable subsets if appropriate. Number 2. Data storage limitations. Challenge. Storage systems may have limitations on disk space or file format compatibility, especially when working with network drives or shared environments. Impact. Insufficient space for saving datasets or inability to share datasets across systems due to compatibility issues. Solution. Regularly clean up outdated files, monitor disk space usage, and utilize shared directories or cloud storage solutions with sufficient capacity. Number 3. File naming and organization. Challenge. Proper naming conventions and folder organization are essential for traceability and version control. Misnaming files or placing them in incorrect locations can cause confusion. Impact. Difficulties in locating datasets, risk of overwriting files, and lack of traceability for audits. Solution. Adopt a consistent file naming convention, e.g., including study ID, date, and version number, and organize files in a well-structured directory hierarchy. Number 4. Version control and tracking updates. Challenge. Sharing datasets with managers often involves iterative updates. Ensuring the correct version is shared and tracking changes can be challenging. Impact. Sending outdated or incorrect datasets can lead to misinterpretation and rework. Solution. Use version control systems or include version identifiers in file names to clearly distinguish between iterations. Number 5. Ensuring data integrity during saving. Challenge. Saving datasets can sometimes result in corruption, especially if interruptions occur during the save process. Impact. Data loss or inability to use the dataset for downstream analysis. Solution. Use SAS procedures like proc datasets to verify dataset integrity and backup datasets regularly. Number 6. Handling data security and confidentiality. Challenge. Clinical datasets often contain sensitive information. Ensuring proper encryption and secure transfer methods is critical to maintain confidentiality and comply with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Impact. Data breaches or regulatory violations can result in legal and financial consequences. Solution. Encrypt datasets using SAS options, e.g., password protection, and transfer files via secure methods such as SFTP or secure email platforms. Number 7. Compatibility between systems. Challenge. Managers may use different systems or tools to access datasets, and incompatibilities between SAS formats and other software, e.g., Excel, CSV, can arise. Impact. Difficulties in opening, viewing, or analyzing shared datasets. Solution. Save datasets in universally compatible formats, e.g., CSV or Excel, or provide managers with necessary SAS access or viewers. Number 8. Sharing large files. Challenge. Transferring large datasets via email or other channels may exceed file size limits or be blocked by organizational security policies. Impact. delays in sharing files, or failure to deliver datasets. Solution: use file sharing platforms like secure cloud storage or compress datasets using zip files before transferring. Number 9. Metadata documentation. Challenge: managers may require metadata to understand the dataset structure, such as variable definitions and derivation rules. Inadequate documentation can cause confusion. Impact: misinterpretation of data and inefficient use of the dataset. Solution: generate and share detailed metadata documentation using tools like proc contents or custom data dictionaries. Number 10. Managing file corruptions during transfer. Challenge: file corruption can occur during network transfers, especially if the connection is unstable. Impact: datasets become unusable or need to be resent, causing delays. Solution: verify file integrity after transfer using hash checks or test the dataset in SAS before use. Number 11. Communication gaps with managers. Challenge: misunderstanding manager expectations regarding the dataset format, structure, or content can lead to incorrect outputs. Impact: time wasted on reformatting or regenerating datasets. Solution: confirm requirements with the manager in advance and, if needed, share a sample or test file for approval. Number 12. Compliance with regulatory and organizational policies. Challenge: certain datasets may require additional steps for compliance with regulatory or organizational policies, such as anonymization or audit trails. Impact: failure to meet these requirements can lead to regulatory findings. Solution: apply data masking or de-identification techniques where necessary and ensure audit readiness. Number 13. Technical issues in SAS environment. Challenge: saving datasets can be interrupted by technical issues like SAS session crashes, insufficient memory allocation, or software bugs. Impact: data loss or the need to restart processes. Solution: monitor SAS logs for potential issues. Allocate sufficient memory using options settings and save intermediate files regularly. Number 14. Meeting tight deadlines. Challenge: time pressures may lead to rushed saving or sharing of datasets without thorough quality checks. Impact: sharing datasets with errors or incomplete data can damage credibility. Solution: build in time for quality control checks before sending datasets and prioritize critical deliverables. Conclusion: by addressing these challenges with structured processes, secure technologies, and clear communication, SAS programmers can effectively save and share datasets with managers, ensuring accuracy, compliance, and efficiency.
Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Here are common SAS dataset problems: invalid data and missing values. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.